Well, the Empire Exhibition, it was opened in 1938 and it was opened by Queen Mary. And when you went up to it, you had to go through a turnstile first of all. You didn't get in unless you went through this turnstile. And it was a wonderful thing for Glasgow. It was the best thing that has ever happened to Glasgow, in my opinion.
Tait's outline plan effectively worked with the layout of Bellahouston Park, with its magnificent whaleback ridge right in the centre of the park, which gave him the focus for the most major element of the exhibition, which of course latterly became affectionately known as Tait's Tower.
I'm standing near the top of the tower, about 500 feet above sea level. Actually, the tower is 300 feet high, but the hill on which it is built is another 200 feet. Below me, the whole exhibition is spread out like a map, and it looks exactly like the architect's plan, which I've seen so often.